Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So last month I posted a Glam Ego box unboxing and you guys seem to really enjoy it, which is why I'm going to be unboxing the February's Glam Ego box. Now if you don't really know how a subscription box works, basically Glam Ego is a beauty box where you receive 4 beauty products every single month for $2.99. That is if you subscribe for 12 months. If you subscribe for 3 months, the price is going to be a little bit more, and if you subscribe for just 1 month, the price is going to be even more. But overall you pay around 300 to 400 rupees, and the products that you receive are valued much more than what you pay. So if you're a beauty lover, it's a great way to try out a lot of different products. Now when you go on their website and try to subscribe to the box, they give you a quiz that you need to fill out, and according to that they make a customized box, which is really good. Also, you guys only have 24 hours left to buy this month's February subscription box, so I will leave the link of the website in the description box below and you guys can go and buy it. But anyway, let's just get started with the unboxing of this box. So this is what the box looks like. It's a white and orange box. Every month they have a different themed, or rather different patterned box. Last month they had like a New Year's resolutions themed box. Talking about what exactly is inside this box, when you first open it, you can see 2 cards. The first one just has all the details about the products and their MRPs, and the second one is a 15% coupon code for the Cocoa Caffeine face mask that is inside this box. So I believe if you want to repurchase it, you can use this code and get a 15% off. Okay, let's just get started with the actual products. So the first product is by a company called Chronacare, which is actually a company that they have a lot in their box. It's a Pollute Stop face protective screen against pollution for face, and it's good for all skin types. On the packaging it says that it creates an invisible shield against pollution nanoparticles that protects, nourishes and soothes the skin, and it's also free of sulfates, mineral oil, parabens, fragrances and silicones. Wow, that was a lot of information and I'm really happy with all of the information. I'm just gonna read the instructions that it says on the back of the bottle, because this is a product that I'm hearing about for the first time and I'm not really sure how it works. On the back it says, spray directly over the face before your daily cream or on top of it. Apply on cream and dry skin. Massage over the face for a better penetration of the protective film. Repeat during the day if required. In that case, at first, clean the skin with our face toner. Okay, basically I get the gist that it's going to create a shield over your face, so you just spritz it on top of your makeup. I think that should be okay as well, and it creates a film between the pollution and your face and protects your skin. That's a really interesting product, and by the way, this product retails for $4.95, so that is way more than what you actually even pay for the entire box. It actually smells really good and herbally, because it's quite a natural product. Also, it's cruelty-free, recyclable, and all of those good things. This is one thing that I love about Glam Ego products that they have in their box, is that all the products are mostly cruelty-free, like environmentally friendly, free of sulfates and all of those chemicals. Moving on to the second product, it is by a company called M Caffeine, I believe, and it's their Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack, and it's enriched with argan oil and vitamin E oil. It's a clay-based face pack which is perfect for oily skin like mine. I'm just gonna open this up and wow, that smells so good. It smells like chocolate, obviously, with a little bit of mehendi undertone. I don't know if that even makes sense, but it smells really good. Talking about the consistency, yeah, you can tell that it's a clay mask, and it also has like little granules which would be perfect for exfoliation once the clay has dried out. Yeah, I love the way it smells. There's a little bit of caffeine, coffee smell as well. And yeah, I can't wait to try it out. This one retails for $3.59. Again, more than what you pay for the entire box. Also, it has a plastic bottle, so really convenient for traveling, and the size is really nice and compact. The third product is by a company called The Nature's Co, and it's their Saffron Radiance Face Cream. It retails for rupees 550, and I'm just gonna read out the ingredients of this face cream. It says that it's made up of saffron, aloe vera extract, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, wheat gram oil, almond oil, cream base, aroma, and there's a little bit of natural preservatives. So yeah, all the ingredients inside this cream are ingredients that you know of and are natural. Also, I'm going to read a little bit of a description on the back. It says that this luxurious age-defying formula promotes natural fairness. Not happy about that. And youthful radiance by diminishing age, spots, and keeping fine lines at bay. Okay, so it claims to do quite a lot. Obviously, I can't tell you if it works or it doesn't. But what I can tell you is that it smells really good. Smells like saffron because it is a saffron cream. The texture is really nice as well. And yeah, I really like the way it smells. Not too happy about the fairness claim that it makes, but I hope it works as an age-defying cream. And the last product and the most exciting product of this box is this body mist. It's by a company called Natural Bath and Body, and it's a body mist, as I said, in the variant Wild Wonder, the Wicked Whiff of Wilderness. And this is a huge bottle. It's 200 ml and it retails for rupees 900. I'm just gonna smell it. It smells very floral because obviously it says it's Wild Wonder. It smells good, but nothing that I love. Of course, fragrances vary from person to person, and I'm really glad that Glam-Ego has started incorporating fragrances in their boxes because that gives us an opportunity to try out a lot of different fragrances and then invest in them. So I would give this month's Glam-Ego box a thumbs up again. So yeah, that was my February's unboxing. If you want me to do another one of these for next month, do let me know. As I said, you guys have only 24 hours left to buy this box. I would totally recommend it if you guys like trying out new beauty products at a cheaper price. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Follow me on my social medias and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!